It's a kind of a plan that we use in order to achieve something.
So who is this?
This is Khushi this side.
Khushi, which Khushi? Because we have got good number of Khushi in our section morning also.
So,
Full
right now,
name Khushi.
actually,
Sorry. Hello. Okay. So Khushi has said that when it comes to strategy, it is a sort of plan. But dear students, more specifically, we talk about a course of action taken to achieve certain objectives. So here also we will be talking about what course of action are taken to achieve the objectives. And here in dear students, we'll further figure out the role of one more management movie we'll be talking about, the leadership movie. So here also we will be one way
so I am really
of
sorry to
leading the
interrupt you,
team
but your voice is
by
cracking a lot.
using
Excuse me, sir, you have a network problem.
the
Excuse me, sir, your
So,
voice is
so your
cracking.
voice
Their
is
voice
cracking.
is cracking actually.
yes. I hope that the voice quality is better
See,
now.
so no, sir, it's cracking a little
No,
bit.
sir, it's still cracking.
But it is
Okay, you can check at your end also because I have changed the network now. So once again,
So it's clear right now. It's clear now.
okay now, right. So dear students, we'll be further talking about strategic leadership of leadership Munna Bhai way. So these are the three things which we are going to talk about. That how Lord Krishna has taken up the role of a leader and how he was leading the team of Arjun and the team to take up the lessons of life. Similarly, we'll also figure out the leadership Munna Bhai way, and we will also try to figure out that how Shah Rukh Khan as a leader has taken the team forward to tackle the challenges of the team hockey. So, dear students, this is about Lord Krishna. Krishna means a person who is attracted to everyone. So, this is one great quality of a leader who is, always approached whenever someone is in the someone is looking forward to some sort of direction. So, Krishna is the personality of Krishna is something wherein he gets involved without being asked to get. So he is the person, the leadership. What I mean to say over here is leader has got a sort of connectivity with the team. He get himself involved wherever he feels like there is a need to give push to the team or a direction to the people. So that's the aura of a leader, and often you will find this kind of thing happening in the organizations very often. The leaders, the top managers often keep on moving within the premises, and they keep on interacting with their employees to understand, to be more friendly on various occasions, professionally or sometimes in the social gathering, to get to know that how the things are moving up. That's again a leadership way of connecting with the people. Yes, my dear students, leadership is a catalyst energizing others into action, because leaders do have a sort of energy, they have a sort of aura to get people motivate, to get people connect, to give them a proper direction. And the leaders also acts as a friend, as a mentor, and gets involved and without being involved in biasness or enmity and so on. So all these kind of stuff we are going to take forward. And this is a very common proverb, you might be proverb which you might be acquainted during your childhood as well, and in which the karma theory is very well defined. very well talked about, Sanskrit shloka. Karmanye vadhi karaste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala hetu rubhuma te sarvanga swatto karmarani means you have a right to perform your prescribed duty. So, my dear students, we all are here to perform the karma. That's the mantra of life, that we have to do the things, the karma which we are supposed to, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. You have to leave it to the anxiety overall, Lord Krishna, that okay, my duty is to perform. That's what. That is what we are, our upbringing has been कि हमें कर्मा करना है. We have to keep doing. Consistency has to be there. So never consider yourself the cause of the results of your activities, and never be attached to your duty. That what the mantra comes, the overall crux of,
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, but your voice is cracking a lot. You're not able to hear properly.
Yes, sir.
It's cracking a lot, sir.
Now this is the institutional network I am using once again. Am I audible? Clear now? Little bit.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So, dear students, here we will like to mention some of the key leadership styles of Lord Krishna, wherein one of the great learning is to share your learnings. So it is said that if you share more, your knowledge will grow, it will multiply. And in all sciences, whether you talk about B.Ed program or PhD program or MBA program, normally the teachers, the managers keep on sharing the knowledge so that everybody could get the benefit of it, which is again floated through Lord Krishna, wherein it is said a true manager or leader must share their learnings with others. As the saying goes, knowledge grows when shared with others. When applied is the best practice of all. Krishna, who was called as the Sarvgyani, never hesitated to share his thoughts with others. Dear students, you talk about any organization, whether you talk about Sony or anything, these leaders keeps on sharing their developments, innovations of one organization with the rest of the subsidiaries, so that the overall corporate organization can get the benefit of it. This is the crux of the sharing of knowledge. And for you guys, students, we believe that, there is a very common saying that if you teach somebody someone, you will never forget that. That means अगर आप किसी को कुछ सिखाओगे तो at least you will definitely be more than prepared for those kind of, learnings which you are giving to others. And that's the reason that in, B schools like Bharati Vidyapeeth and other B schools, presentations are normally an ongoing activity wherein you present your learnings to, your colleagues and the teachers, so that you are better able to express yourself. Second most important thing is within the leadership, that is you need to stick to your goals. And again, there are three very important phrases which are coming. One is the Dharma Sanstapana, and second Vinashaya Dushkritam, and the third is Paritrayam Sadhunam. So these three things means that welfare for good, and second thing is talking about destroy the evil, that is you need to move on to the ethical ways of doing the things, and third is talking about the principles of adopting in life. Dear students, you also need to have a tactful communication. That is, it is said that what you say is not important, but how you say that matters a lot. So, hence, we believe that you need to be a good communicator, and 50% of your personality gets reflected through the way you reflect, the way you speak, the way your body language is. And Krishna, through his power of speech and oration skills, motivated Pandavas several times. So, dear students, that's the power of a good communicator. And also be grounded. That is, it is said that you need to work on the zero ego policy, which is again the mantra for success. That is, once those who work on the zero level of ego are definitely in a position to uplift themselves and are said to be an asset for the development of the organization. So, my dear students, now coming to Chak De India, I'm damn sure that many of you have seen this management movie, Chak De India, and we'll talk about the key learnings from this movie, which is about teams, leaders, motivation, about what drives people, and pride in self and nation. Now, I would like to know from some of you, those who have seen, could you recall me some of the, discussions within the movie which indicates about the team spirit and leadership? Any of you? Quickly.
Sir,
So,
sir, Kamaldeep here.
Kamal, yes, quickly, Kamal.
Sir, like they,
Yes.
sir, firstly, Shah Rukh Khan as a manager, as a coach, sir, sir, he collects the and then sir, he manages the team very well. Sir, he assigns the trained strategy to the players and manages to take it to the World Cup, and they make them realize their potential, and then they work very hard and they work very smart against every team, each and every team to win the tournament, sir.
Right, very good. So, big round of clap for Kamal. One, he was able to he was able to gauge the potential of the team by understanding that which player is having a best fit at what position. So that is what Kamal has very rightly shared. Yes, other students quickly. Good,
so,
Kamal. Next.
so this
Lakshay
is
this time.
Kushi this side.
Yes.
So
Yes, Kushi.
he was having the main positivity that he can do, and he will make the others also to do the match, and he was having the perfect vision so that he knew that who is the best at the team.
Great, Kushi. So he was a visionary leader. He acted as a catalyst, and he was full of energy, enthusiastic, and the way with his positivity, he was taking the team forward. Absolutely. I will further come to you quickly, little later. And let me quickly add on to it. Then, first time when the team was there, when team joined at Delhi, one of the player, if you can recall, was Let, who stated that I am the captain of Chandigarh team. So
Preeti
when
Sabarwal.
this yeah, and absolutely. And when these kind of things are coming up, now there is, you just try to imagine the situation that there is a player who is the captain of that particular team. So that the way she is representing or is introducing herself is her ego is coming out. The word captain, she is trying to dominate or trying to convince him by the name, captain, wherein this ego, this is the ego of that lady. And Kabir Khan, as a coach, also replies in the same tone, I am the coach of this team. If you are the captain of the team Chandigarh, I am the coach for this overall team. So my duties and responsibilities are much more than you. And the rules are meant to be accepted. If you do not accept the rules today, tomorrow it will be difficult for me to lead the team. That was his response because he wanted the players to follow. He wanted the players to understand and play as a team. Unless you accept the rules of the team, it will be difficult for the coach to get the results, to get the deliveries. So this is how he was answering. Yes, student, I will have to remove the students who are making these kind of disturbances, please. Yes. So again, one more thing. There was one more statement given by this coach Kabir Khan. He said, "First play for the nation." टीम का मतलब यहां पर है आपने you have to play for the team nation, then for uh, first play for the nation, then for the team, and then for yourself. So if you are playing for yourself, so that ranking is towards the third position. So that was the mantra given by him to the team time and again. India ke liye. We all are playing. We all are here for our nation. So nation has to be the, you have to give more weightage, priority, and look team India as a whole. So that was the mantra which was being put up by the leader. And my dear students, as you said that the leader should have a vision to see and also empower others. So that was the aura which we were able to see in this gentleman, Kabir Khan. This gentleman who could not get success in his personal life was able to get it done through the team of women's in the hockey. And he said he was having ability to anticipate, envision, maintain flexibility, and empower others to create strategic change, which is the ultimate role of any leader. Multifunctional work that involves working through others. That's the uh, way we look towards the team. And considering all the facets of the team rather than just a subunit. Then, dear students, effective strategic leadership talks about two important things. One is the intent, that is the vision. Second is the mission, and all of these collectively will form your strategic action. But before understanding the intent and mission, we also need to take certain cues from the environment before formulating vision and mission. And based on these strategic actions, then comes the role of formulation of strategies and implementation of strategies for the competitiveness and the average returns. Dear students, very importantly, for you also, we will be, meeting you all the moment the pandemic is over, and we will find, different students will be from different states, different backgrounds. There will be diversity in your, streams from where the background from where you are coming, in context to your culture, in context to your team building approach as well as the individualistic approach. Some of you might be having very high positive attitude, and some of you might be required to make certain changes in your attitude. So that was the challenge before this captain Kabir Khan also. And when this team was there representing there, so there was need for storming, that is diversity, individualism, personal egos. All of these issues were to be resolved at the level of leader. My dear students, that is a must for any leader to understand that what kind of people are there, because an organization runs through the people. And if the team, I always speak about the young people, those who are working. An organization is known by the who are the people in that organization. किसी भी organization को understand करने का first mantra है who are the people, what are the capabilities of those people. An organization is a reflection of the people who are working there. Similarly, this team, ये जो coach हैं, इनका बहुत बड़ा role है in making the people to play the way he wanted to play. Just now, very rightly, Kamal said that he was able to understand and to figure out the potential. This is not a small thing. आप सबके potential को understand करना, कौन सा player कहाँ पर best play करेगा, हर player को best fit, motivate करना, charge करना, उनके ego clashes को दूर करना, उनको as a team आप motivate करना. That is the role of the leader. So, my dear students, determining strategic direction. अगर direction. Similarly, you as a student also are required to find out a mentor जो आपको proper direction दे. He or she can be your father, mother, your friend, your mentor. And we all, I also have my mentor. And Arjun के mentor कौन थे? Lord Krishna. Similarly, you look towards, you talk about Duryodhan. Duryodhan was getting guidance from whom? दुर्योधन को गाइडेंस मिला था उनके मैटरनल से, मामा. यस, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अच्छा, अब देखिए आप, लॉर्ड कृष्णा और अर्जुन का जो रिलेशन था, दैट वाज लाइक ए सखा, एज ए फ्रेंड, सो दैट ही कैन शेयर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विद हिज मेंटोर. आपको भी लाइफ में मेंटोर की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जहां से आपको प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन मिले. अगर प्रॉपर एक डायरेक्शन सही मिलता है, योर होल लाइफ कैन चेंज, आई कैन गारंटी दैट. लेकिन अगर डायरेक्शन ही गलत मिलना शुरू हो जाए, दैट कैन क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम्स. You can see the situation. I don't want to enter into that, but Sushant Rajput कहीं ना कहीं अगर proper time से कहीं से direction mentoring सही होती, तो this would not have been the situation. Then, dear students, exploiting and maintaining core competencies. Yes, हम लोग organization में management की definition बात करते हैं. पहली definition है management की, एक्सप्लॉइटेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, बिल्कुल पहली फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन। और एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज एक्सप्लॉइटिंग देयर रिसोर्सेज इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे, जो बेस्ट आप कर सकते हो। यू टॉक अबाउट एनी कंपनी, एप्पल कंपनी की बात करो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की बात करो, एनी टॉप कंपनी। और एज ए स्टूडेंट आपने अपने आप को एक्सप्लॉइट करना है इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे, जहां से आपका टैलेंट बाहर आएगा, जहां से आपका बेस्ट आउटकम बाहर आएगा। दिस यू हैव टू डू। आपको अपने आप को भी एक्सप्लॉइट करना है, एंड ऑल्सो so that you can do your best. Developing human capital, ये role है leader का, by providing good number of trainings. It's normally happening across the nation, across the countries. Sustaining an effective organizational culture, that is also the requirement, because organization का culture बहुत important role play करता है in shaping the future of organization. So organizational culture is very very important. Somewhere down the line I'll deal with it. आप Japanese culture की बात करें, JIT पे ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, just in time, technology driven है. See, similarly you talk about German people, they are more individualistic people, ठीक है. Similarly Indians की बात करें, हमारे यहाँ commitment की definition कुछ और आ जाती है most of the time. Say for example export order की बात करते हैं, we are too good in getting the orders. इंडियंस एक्सपोर्ट का ऑर्डर ले आते हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू कमिटमेंट, 25th को अगर आपका ऑर्डर जाना चाहिए टू जापानीज, अगर जापान में आपके गुड्स डिलीवर 25th को होने चाहिए, सो 25th मींस 25th, लेकिन इंडियंस के लिए ये 25th की डेफिनेशन थोड़ी सी वेरी करती है. दो द थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग एंड एवरीवन इज अडॉप्टिंग टू इट, बट कमिटमेंट हैज टू बी वेरी वेरी हाई हियर. एम्फेसाइजिंग एथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस एंड एस्टेब्लिशिंग बैलेंस्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कंट्रोल. तो किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को रन करने के लिए एक बैलेंसिंग जरूरी है, लेकिन चक दे इंडिया में आप देखेंगे कि वो बैलेंसिंग से आउट हो गए. जो चक दे इंडिया में प्रेशर आता है शाहरुख खान का, वो उस बैलेंस्ड लेवल को, उस मार्क को क्रॉस कर जाते हैं. एज ए रिजल्ट यू माइट हैव सीन कि ऑल ऑफ ए सडन वो टीम जो है शाहरुख खान को अपोज करना शुरू कर जाती है, एंड दे स्टार्ट सेइंग दैट वी वांट डिफरेंट न्यू कोच, डिस्पाइट ऑफ नोइंग कि वो उनके डेवलपमेंट बेटरमेंट के लिए हो रहा है. बट at the time of farewell at MACD, when Shah Rukh Khan was about to say goodbye, and when there was some sort of unacceptable practice, the girls united, and then they confronted that old chap, that young chap, by being a team. तो टीम बनने के लिए या तो आप किसी को अपोज करते हो तभी टीम बनती है. So whatever, in whatever way, whenever the people decide for a common game, common goal, वहां पर टीम का फॉर्मुलेशन शुरू होता है. और यहां पर कोच कबीर खान को अपोज करते करते वो टीम फॉर्मुलेट हो गई, एंड दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन एक्चुअली टीम स्टार्टेड डिलीवरिंग. तो वो सिचुएशन है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सस्टेनेबल डिसीजंस कैन बी मेंटेन्ड ओवर टाइम. Develop processes to deliver the strategy. I tell you, at Bharati Vidyapeeth, there are lot many processes. We are a big organization. Similarly, आप जिंदल एल्यूमिनियम की बात कीजिए, processes driven है आजकल organizations. If X leaves the organization, or Y leaves the organization, or Z leaves the organization को बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं होता है, because process driven work है आजकल, well defined है. And here also process जो था चक दे इंडिया में, how to play, from which position to play. So that was the thing which was coming up. Offer competitive advantage. यहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था गर्ल्स विमेंस. At times you often see urban, suburban and rural areas में गर्ल्स को उतना हमारे यहाँ प्रेफरेंस नहीं देते थे. अब सिचुएशन चेंज हो रहा है, बट सोसाइटी था, they were against the girls to go for hockey on an international level. So यहाँ पर भी कोच ने, जो कबीर खान है, उन्होंने एक व्यू पॉइंट लिया, and then he offered, okay, let us have the girls का मैच with the men's. तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू का जो उन्होंने यहाँ पर डिसीजन था, that was a very strategic decision. He knew, उनको पता था कि मेन से जीतना, विन करना मुश्किल है, it's not possible. But again he want to say, he want to showcase कि यहाँ पर the kind of aggressiveness, the kind of best match, best play which they can put up in front of the association, that was very much required. So he was offering the competitive advantage of the team, the way the girls were playing, the way they were challenging to the men's. And there he was able to get the confidence of the association and he was able to get the permissions. तो कभी कभी हमें इस तरीके के challenges भी accept करने होते हैं. And यहाँ अगेन देर वॉज ए चैलेंज डिफरेंट कंट्रीज का आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ता है दैट व्हाट इज दैट कंट्री ऑल अबाउट, उनके प्लेयर्स में किस टाइप का गेम है एंड अकॉर्डिंगली कहाँ पर आपको एग्रेसिवनेस की रिक्वायरमेंट है, कहाँ पर आपको. सो दिस इज द रोल ऑफ ए कोच. सो दिस कोच वाज नोइंग द एग्रेसिवनेस ऑफ दिस गर्ल कोर और उनको उन्होंने अर्जेंटीना में उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही पोजीशन दिया. Similarly, Korea mein there was a big role of Bindia to play with, and as I said that the vision is the ability to move the organization forward in a significant way beyond the current environment. So dear students, I'm sure that this strategic leadership is going to give you some idea. ये जो है approach है people oriented approach. I normally call this as a Japanese approach, wherein the focus is more on encouraging fast work pace, emphasize good quality, as I said, JIT and so on, high accuracy, work towards high quality production, and so on. I'm not able to download your attendance. I don't know what's the problem. In the morning also I was having this. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
yes, please. Now moving to the next leadership strategy over here, which was the Munna Bhai way. And herein, I would further like to invite one or two students to tell me something about their understanding about this sort of leadership. Those who have gone in for looking or viewing this movie. Anyone?
Sir, he developed ideologies from Mahatma Gandhi, sir.
Good. Who is this?
Sir Kamaldeep.
Okay, good. So you said that he has taken the learnings of Gandhi and the movie is based on the Gandhigiri sort of. And this strategy
Yes,
is very much required these days because
yes, sir.
if you happen to see the kind of corporate world and the kind of challenges which we are having, confront करके you cannot win the battle. आपको yes boss और salute करके ही life में you have to move forward. So Gandhigiri is a preferred strategy used these days, and I would like to share some of the uh, uh, inspirations, learnings from this movie. Gandhism always existed, and it was Munna Bhai, the most unlikely protagonist, who reintroduced Gandhi to us. And uh, in this movie, often the discussion about circuit is there. He was able to fully motivate this gentleman, inspire him to deliver results. And this gentleman, Sanjay Dutt over here, had a willingness to learn, was willing to fully devote himself to learn all that was necessary for achieving his goal, though he had no prior knowledge or experience on the subject. But he had a vision to, he had that uh, curiosity to understand the life lessons. Now I am putting up one video before you. Do let me know if it is audible, yes. Otherwise, I will have to check the volumes settings.
अपन ये भी ट्राई करके देखता है.
नहीं होगा तुमसे.
अरे कैसे नहीं होगा बापू?
Audible?
बहुत डेयरिंग है अपन में.
मेरा
Yes, sir.
रास्ता आसान नहीं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बंगला मिलेगा.
वचन देता हूं.
वो जानवी अपन को छोड़ के नहीं जाएगी ना?
उम्र भर गर्व से तुम्हारे साथ चलेगी।
तुमको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है तो बोलो क्या करने का है?
माफी मांगो।
माफी? किससे? ये माफी मांगना जरूरी है क्या?
देखना चाहता हूँ तुम में कितनी हिम्मत है।
बोले तो?
चांटा मारना आसान है, माफी मांगने के लिए हिम्मत चाहिए बेटा। ये कायरों का काम नहीं है। जाओ बेटा।
Sir, video is not properly.
इधर क्या कर रहे ले?
कुछ नहीं भाई, वो आज सुबह से माँ का याद आ रहा था तो अपन यहाँ आके बैठ गया।
अपन को तेरे को कुछ बोलने का है।
हाँ भाई बोलो ना।
ये मत सोच के अपन पेला है।
क्या हुआ भाई?
उधर टर्न हो जा, अपन की आंख में मत देख। अपन को तेरे को सॉरी बोलने का है। अक्की रात सोया नहीं अपन। सब पुराना मेमोरीज वो भेजे में घूम रहा था। याद है जब अपन को बुलेट लगा था पेट में, नींद नहीं आता था फुल नाइट। अपन तेरे को बोला कि माँ का याद आता है। तूने साला अपन का सर लेकर गोद में डाला और लोरी सुनाया अपन को, और साला अपन ने हाथ उठाए तेरे पे। अपन भी येड़ा साला। रात को 3 बजे तेरे को बोला कि अपन को चाइनीज खाने का है, और तू वो 5 स्टार में जाके वो चीनी को उठा के लेके आया। क्या हाका नूडल बनाया ना उसने, और अपन ने तेरे पे हाथ उठाया। माफ कर देना यार, ये सब बोलने का क्या जरूरत है भाई? सॉरी बोला ना। ए बापू, थैंक यू बापू, दिल हल्का हो गया अपन का। बोल अभी क्या करने का है?
लकी को प्यार से समझाना।
ये काम जरा मुश्किल है।
टेंशन नहीं लेने का, बापू है ना।
Right. So, yes, I would like to know from you guys that, uh, I would like to call upon some more students over here. Ananya, Anika, Aniket, Ansh, Anuj, Harpit, Aryan, Asha, Asmeet, Girish, Ishika, Khushi, then Kunal, Madhav Mittal, Mohit. Yes. Yes, students, come on, Nayan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Khushi. Now, sir,
Yes,
I don't know
Khushi.
which Khushi you are talking about.
You can tell your full name.
Sir, I just only use Khushi only. You can
Okay,
only
Khushi
Khushi.
only.
Yes.
Okay, so that's good. So, Khushi, there was some discussion on this given the clip over here. So,
Yes.
what is your learning from this clip?
So at first, if we see, so no one gets small for saying sorry. You have to apologize. It doesn't mean you don't apologize will make you small in front of someone. And
And
you have to face the truth.
yes,
You
yes,
have to face the truth. You can't back off.
good, very good. So, this one word can save your, number of days and tensions. It's
Yes.
always better to, if you have to go too far in life, it's
Yes.
just better to, say sorry, apologize by heart, finish off the matter, and move forward
So
rather
it
than having.
does not only make the person who said sorry relief, but the other one also.
Absolutely good, very good. Yes, anyone else who want to say something about?
Sir, may I speak?
Who is this?
Sir, Sujal Agarwal.
Right, please.
Sir, a lot of people say they don't have the word sorry in their life. They don't speak it, but I think it is good to include the sorry word in their day-to-day life
Mm-hmm.
for better relationships.
Yes, good, Sujal. Very good. All right, anyone else
Sir,
who want to say? Yes.
sir, if we look from circuit's point of view, sir, this line fits appropriate that जो माफ कर देता है उसका दिल और भी बड़ा होता है.
Very good. Who is this?
Sir, Aryan.
Good. So that's again a good way to understand कि we also need to have courage to forgive others and ऐसी सिचुएशन ही क्यों हो कि हमारे सामने कोई ऐसा फील करे एंड रादर यू माइट हैव सीन जब सॉरी बोला तो द ही वाज आल्सो क्राइंग बिकॉज रिलेशन होते ही ऐसे हैं और अपनों से कभी कभी होता है ऐसा विद इन क्लास फ्रेंड्स यू कैन तो वी हैव टू come at that level and understand otherwise also students strategic leadership की भी जब हम बात करते हैं
So your voice is cracking.
Excuse me, sir.
So I guess
Sir, you are not audible actually.
it's not clear. So you there?
I think sir has left.
No, he's not. Lagging, I
No.
guess.
He's
Say,
there.
He's still here.
okay. So,
it's audible now am I audible now
yes, sir, you
Yes,
are.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay uh,
Excuse me, sir.
also I would like to yes please yes
Actually, sir, my net
yes
got lag in between, so I want to ask that is my attendance available to you?
what's your name
Isha Sapra.
obviously if you have joined on time your name will be coming up 1 or 2 minutes के लिए if you have reconnected that's not the problem
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
right so but Isha what is your learning from this management movie Chak De India
Yes, sir. There should be leadership and there should be motivation. You can change. Your goals should never be changed, but you can change your strategies, plans, and ways to achieve your goals.
Isha, within this particular movie, there was some sentiments within which this coach Kabir Khan have to say some sort of demotivational, has to use a demotivational uh, role to motivate the team. What was that? Can you recall?
Yes, sir. Actually, we should
What was that?
apologize.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Your
Isha, you are
voice
audible,
is
please.
lagging.
The net was lagging.
Okay.
So even you are not audible.
Now I suppose it is better.
Yeah, it
Okay.
is.
So, dear
Yes.
students, within this Chak De India, there was one situation wherein Coach Kabir Khan was having very high expectations from the team. And when he was guiding them, when he was teaching the rules of hockey to the team, the way the players were playing were not up to the expectation of this coach Kabir Khan. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि at times the coaches are having very high expectations and the team is not able to deliver to that extent. And owing to that, Coach Kabir Khan wanted, was having a very strong viewpoint, having, he was a very, I would say, sort of taskmaster to get the things done from the team. He was trying his level best so that the team could exploit themselves, the various linkages, they could pass the ball to each other so that they are able to make out the goals and all this kind of stuff. Having said that, he uses one phrase over there and he speaks to the girls, ये चकला बेलन चलाने वाली हॉकी क्या खेलेंगी? You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yes,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. ये दोनों yes. So any one of you with your name, could you tell me इसका meaning क्या था? Why Kabir Khan was using this sort of statement? इसके
Sir,
what was the
actually,
motive of
Sir,
this?
to motivate them.
sir,
Sir, to
so
Yes.
motivation, it is a negative motivation because motivation is not always positive.
Mm-hmm.
To make
So
them feel bad
that's
and
why he.
get the best out of them.
Yes, right.
So
Yes,
actually,
sir.
So
I
very
So
think
he
right.
he
wanted
was to
to
hit
hit the
their
right
ego.
nerve of them.
Perfect. Absolutely. So who is that? You can tell your names quickly. 2, 3 students. All those who participated. I am writing your names.
Arushi.
Kushi.
Aryan.
Sir Kamaldeep.
Okay, Arushi.
Sir, Tarushi.
Madhav.
So I think
Okay.
motivation also comes when when you try to hit others on that point on which you will feel that they get mostly affected. So they will work towards the goal.
Absolutely. और एंड एट टाइम्स फैमिली में भी होता है, कई बार पेरेंट्स कहते हैं तुम तो ये कर ही नहीं सकते, यू कैन नॉट डू इट, है ना? एट टाइम्स
Yes,
समटाइम्स
sir.
योर फ्रेंड्स
Even
माइट बी टेलिंग यू.
challenging, yes, sir.
Sir,
Even
may I
Yes.
speak?
challenging
Yes,
someone
sir.
can also motivate.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please. Yes.
Sir, may I speak?
Sure,
Sir,
sure,
negative
please.
motivation always not good. Sometimes it
Depends
breaks
on.
someone confidence. We should not always negatively
Sir,
motivate
I agree
someone.
to him. It can pull
You
someone down as well.
Yes, sir.
yes, ये भी है.
It is always not good to negative motivate
Yes,
Sir,
someone negatively.
depends
absolutely,
my
absolutely,
Sir, it
absolutely.
depends
Yes.
on the motivator.
Mm-hmm.
No.
But it
the
depends on
one
the person as well. You might don't want to hurt
It
his or her
depends upon
sentiments, but ultimately you do that.
So it totally depends on
Yes.
the person.
it
Whatever
depends
you
upon
have
the
said.
situation.
Okay, let me summarize this. Whatever you all said. Basically, it's a sort of qualitative situation, and definitely it will depend and vary from person to person. आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ पेरेंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत हाई होती है और वो अगर स्टूडेंट नहीं कर पाते हैं तो दे देन एंड अप इन सुसाइडिंग देमसेल्व्स. तो वो साइकोलॉजिकल ट्रेट्स को आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दोस काइंड ऑफ सेंटिमेंट्स आल्सो, और उन सब चीज़ों को अंडरस्टैंड करके ही ये नेगेटिव सेंटिमेंट्स उतना यूज़ करो कि वो पर्सनालिटी अपने आप को डैमेज ना कर ले. So we have to be very careful while using these negative motivation. But in between, we should also showcase that it is for your betterment, that is for your development. अगर आप ये realize करा देते हो कि whatever we are saying is for your development, for your betterment, so in that case, I believe the things will be taken up in the good spirit. Otherwise, यहाँ you might have seen जो बैलेंस्ड कंट्रोल के अगेंस्ट में ज़्यादा आप उनको स्ट्रेच करोगे, द टीम में अपोज यू, विच नॉर्मली हैपन्स. बट येस, वेरी वेल, गुड पार्टिसिपेशन फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू, दैट वाज वंडरफुल. देन डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फर्दर मूविंग अहेड, ही वाज अ रेस्पेक्टेड भाई. देखो यहाँ भी ही वाज अर्निंग द रेस्पेक्ट बाय हेल्पिंग आउट अदर्स, but was willing to give up all comforts for the sake of the cause and going beyond the call of the duty wherever he felt like, whether in the hospital or at other places. He was always ready to help out others. That's the quality of a leader over here. And then you need not to give up. You need to have consistency, continuity. Life में बहुत ज़रूरी है, dear students. At times हमारे time में you all will get so many challenges, but एक पेशेंस लेवल के साथ में, कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ में, with the hope that definitely, as I said, that Lord Krishna also says कि consistency, continuity in the karma is very much required for success. ये सक्सेस आपको मिला है. देखिए, आप जो सक्सेस इज अ सीरीज, आपने 10th किया वो एक सक्सेस है, 11th किया दैट वाज सक्सेस, 12th हुआ सक्सेस है. इवन फॉर योर बीबीए प्रोग्राम आपका एडमिशन हुआ, दैट इज योर सक्सेस. आप सीएस क्लियर करते हो, ये सीरीज ऑफ सक्सेस आपको मिलती चली जाती है. आफ्टर योर डिग्रीज यू विल एंड अप इधर इन द कॉर्पोरेट और मे बी यू मे सेट अप योर ओन बिजनेस. तो द सक्सेस इज योर लाइफ इज इट्स अ बीट्स ऑफ सक्सेस. ये सक्सेस स्टोरी बना रहे हो आप, और स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली यू आर मूविंग अहेड, यू आर हेडिंग टू दोस डायरेक्शंस. One more clip to you and then we will say goodbye to each other, dear students.
नमस्ते. नहीं, बापू बोला अगर दुश्मन बाई गाल पे मारेगा ना तो दाएं गाल आगे करने का. ये ले, देख नहीं मारा ना.
भाई एकदम तो चिपका दिया.
जब दोनों गाल पे पड़ जाए तो क्या करने का, ये बापू ने नहीं कहा अपन को.
मुन्ना, उन्हें वार करने दो, लेकिन तुम हाथ मत उठाना. ऐसा करने से दुश्मन के स्वभाव में परिवर्तन आता है, उसकी नफरत घटती है और हमारे लिए इज्जत बढ़ती है. लकी को दिखा दो, हम पलट कर नहीं मारेंगे, ना ही अपनी राह छोड़ेंगे. चलो मुन्ना, माफी मांगो.
मोहब्बत से मकान लेंगे, रोज किया ना तो बम देंगे.
सॉरी बोल इसको.
काय को भाई?
देख
रूसी ने कौन सी कराई थी? क्रेटा केस
और अब पड़ेगा.
कितने का क्रेटा का बेस?
11,12,000
सही है यार, उसमें लाख एक रुपए ऊपर लगा.
सॉरी बोलने का तेरे को.
ये सॉरी बोलना ना, उठना.
सही तो उसमें बहुत डिटेलिंग है, एचआईडी, ये क्रोम, वो क्रोम, क्रेटा में नहीं है इतनी.
Right. So dear students, this was all about the strategic leadership from my side. I hope that you have taken certain learnings from this. These management movies, they are teaching us a lot many things as to how to lead life in different mantras we were talking about. I would like to sum up by saying that you have to have a goal which you need to achieve, and you need not to give up. There has to be a consistency in the approach, and then I would like to understand from few of you that what are the takeaways of the session from this 50-minute session. Quickly, over to 2-3 students, very quickly.
Sir, may I speak? Sir, leadership.
Okay, so yes, absolutely. Sujal Agarwal says that leadership plays a very important role.
Sir, I
Yes.
Motivation.
मैंने नहीं बोला
To
किसी और
face
ने.
the truth.
Sir, leadership quality.
So that not only positive motivation is important, but sometimes it also needs negative motivation, like we see in Chadde India movie.
Very good, very good. Who is this?
Importance
So Tarushi.
Sir,
Tarush.
everything
Okay,
is
thank you.
important.
One has
The
to face
leadership
the
also
truth.
the leadership quality of leadership identify
sorry
the
we have made a
potential.
mistake. उससे अच्छा लगता है, like, and we have feel light and
Sir,
Yes, who
leadership
is
Sir,
this?
quality
a
is
leader
everything.
should know his teammates'
Leadership.
positive and negative points.
Perfect, very good. So that profile, that SWOT analysis should be available. Good, very nice. Yes.
Sir, everything is important, but the most important thing is the leader should be happy. Because if
Yes.
if the leader is happy, it will create happiness to all.
Very right.
Sir,
Good.
you-
Happiness index,
Sir,
emotional, connecting with them, involved, the leaders are
Motivation.
involved,
So
motivations, right? Also, dear students, you might have seen at workplace, कई organizations में you might have seen, जो employees का dress होता है, there is a, uniform of the employees at some of the organizations. I have seen that जो leaders हैं, मैनेजमेंट के ऑनर्स हैं, सीईओज हैं, दे ऑल्सो कम इन द यूनिफॉर्म और वो भी अपना आई कार्ड यूज करते हैं साथ में to have that belongingness that I am also working for the organization like you. This is the message. I have seen many leaders are grounded, बिल्कुल एकदम zero level of ego पे functioning, and I have seen the yes, I have
Down
seen
to
the
earth.
CV of yes, down to earth, grounded theory. You can say down to earth. You can say I have seen many people, those who write in their CV that we will be working at our personal ego will not come in the performance of the organization. Whenever we are working, our first motive will be the
So,
growth of the organization.
sir, this also motivates the employees to come in uniform and work
Yes,
properly.
absolutely.
Just
Yes,
the motivation for other team members.
absolutely. Shared vision is there. So the vision is shared amongst the employees to achieve that collective responsibility. So with this note, dear students, I
Yes, sir.
thank
To
each
listen
one of
and to
yes,
listen to
yes, please.
other people's suggestions also motivate the employees.
Yes, Komal Goyal, thank
Also, sir,
you.
No, sir.
Sir, it
also
will
to identify the
also
potential.
motivate the employees to give their best.
Very nice, very nice.
So
Sir, it shows
they should very often keep some motivational sessions so that they do not get bogged down by the pressure of work.
Right, Bhavna Yadav, that was amazing. So you also have to understand the work-life balance. People have to be ease out, friendly, social. They can share their thoughts. So at that level, one should connect. Very good, Bhavna. Thank you. All right. So can we say goodbye now? I suppose you are about to attend your second lecture now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank
Yes,
you.
you.
sir.
Sir,
Thank
thank
you.
thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank
Yes,
you, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye, bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sayonara.
Okay.